In this video, I will show you how to use an Expedia flight credit. So after you cancel your Expedia flights, you will receive a cancellation confirmation email containing details of your flight credit. And you can use this credit to purchase future flights. So to use the Expedia flight credit, you have to first open the Expedia app. And then you have to log in to your Expedia account. And after that, you have to go to the My Account page at the bottom. And here is the option Credits. You have to tap on that. If you have any credits here, you have to follow the instructions to redeem it for a different flight. If the credit does not show up in the My Account section, you have to call the customer care of Expedia and an agent can assist you. You will need to know the original itinerary number, credit amount and traveler's name. And if you are logged in your Expedia account and have searched for flights, you can use the Check Credits link at the top of the flight search results to see eligible flights. There are a few things to keep in mind with regards to fare differences when using a flight credits from Expedia. If the new flights cost more than your airline credit amounts, you will have to pay the difference. If the new flight costs less than your airline credit amount, some airlines only allow you to use the credit once, meaning you would lose any leftover credit. So here's how you can use Expedia flight credits. Thank you.